Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 26th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So the US dollar Swiss did end up going up and breaking that structure that I was talking about. Definitely not a big solid break of structure, but because of my US dollar analysis, I think that it's going to keep going up. The fact that this whole move down was extremely overlapping makes me think that actually this way over here is like an A. Maybe this is a B. And now I think there's a very good chance that we are in an uptrend for like a wave C. And when I consider my US dollar analysis, I think it would make sense for this to potentially be in an uptrend for a wave C. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely would still be looking for longs. I mean, there's no reason on the higher time frames yet to say that this is not going to keep going long. Now, I would be waiting for, nice little pullbacks, little engulfing moves to the upside for more long opportunities on these shorter time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.